How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay. Getting ready to fix me a home run in pizza. This is sausage and mushroom. Got it from Walmart. It was $5.88. So this now, it's been sitting on the counter for a little while. So it's not frozen hard. You're not supposed to thaw out your pizzas first. But I knew I was going to cook it in the next few minutes. Just got through doing, I think, 4 videos. Okay. Oh. I'll be using my Hamilton Beach pizza maker. And I have this baking mat in here. I'm just trying to show y'all how it looks. That's how the pan looks. That's how the mat looks. Got the 12-inch baking mat. So I just wipe this off with a paper towel. I don't ever have to worry about cooking that pan, washing that pan. Okay, I'm putting the pizza on here. Okay, and I'm going to doctor it up, even though I don't have to doctor up home run in pizzas. So those are the mushrooms, sausage up in here. So I'll be adding, I love black olives, I love hot peppers. So I just put some olives in this hot pepper jar. My honeys blessed me with these black olives. I don't like to waste nothing. Once I open the can and use some, I had a lot left. Put them in this jar with the hot peppers. Because Walter don't like all this stuff on his pizza. That's okay, he'll be alright. That's good. Put some of this pepper juice on here. I'm cooking some seasoned potato wedges in my air fryer. Got those from Walmart too. Okay. I'm gonna add some black pepper. My honey's blessed me with the black pepper. Me and Walter both use a lot of black pepper. I got to fill this back up. I learned to use celery seed and I love it. I love it on everything. I love red pepper, so use a little cayenne pepper. So that's a little. And some pizza blend cheese. It has the mozzarella and mild cheddar cheese. Like I said, you really don't have to doctor up a home run in pizza because it's good. But I'm extra. was in Walmart and I got so hungry. So I was near the drinks, the cold drinks. So I got me a Snapple. I had to open it in the store and drink some. Of course, I paid for it. And Walter sees me doing stuff like that. He gets in another line. You know good and well I don't walk out the store with nothing like that. Okay, that's good. Okay. So I'll keep it set on 5. That's the highest it will go. So I'm going to set this for 25 minutes. It has the dials. 25 minutes. I'm scared my lights are going to blow. So I got the air fryer on. I hope not. Oh, it smells good. You know, I'm going to cut this off for now. I ain't taking no chances. Okay, I'll be back when my pizza is almost done. Or when the top has, the cheese has browned. And I'll let y'all see it through the window, how it looks. It's this little window that it goes around. And that's one of the reasons I got this particular pizza maker. Because it had the see-through window. So I can see what's happening. I'll be back. Alright, this is where I do my pizza box. I don't throw it away. Once I open it and slide the pizza out, I just cut it. Cut one side open. Cut the other side. Then I'm going to lay it on the counter. I have something to lay my pizza on and also cover it up. And cut the pizza on. Okay, because I never cut on my my baking mat. Okay, I'm going for a little while. Okay, y'all got a green tree today. The lights are green. I bet y'all so sick of looking at my tree, you're going to be glad when I take it down. I enjoy looking at it, so I figure my honeys enjoy it too. So, I like being able to change the colors of the lights. These are Tree Dazzler lights, and they come with remote controls. I have 2 sets on my tree. Okay, y'all, the pizza is almost done. I had to put another 10 minutes on there. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. I like the top of the cheese to be nice and brown. And I turned my air fryer back on, taking a chance. Oh, they're done. Those are those seasoned potato wedges from Walmart. The Great Value brand. Okay, my pizza is done, y'all. It hasn't beeped yet. Let me see if I can show y'all how it looks. This tripod is so tall, I can't angle it. See? Okay. I don't want to burn my arm raising this because steam comes up. Pull it out some. Yeah. Okay, look at that, y'all. Look at that pizza. Don't they look delicious? Okay. Where is it? Okay, I'm going to use my pizza peel, the 2 of my honeys sent me. I've used this for the first time. Let's see how good it works. Oh Lord, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Shh. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I ain't gonna know how to act. Look at this. Look at this pizza. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Larry and Toby. Thank you very much. Woo! Yes. I think I'm something now. Give me a pizza peel. I ain't got to struggle with those spatulas. 2 spatulas. Let me close this. It's very, very hot. Move this. It's hot. I'm going to cut my pizza. You'll see. Oh, it smells so good.
Will you be back?
I don't know.
I was thinking about putting the garage out. Garbage out.
The garbage man usually push it back.
Well,
It's out now?
I don't know what it is. It wasn't even out there.
Well, you can't do it now. The garbage man came and gone.
I know.
Well, she'll be back. I can't believe you just getting up. What time is it? 2:25. Man, please. I done been to several stores and did all the running. Okay. Want that meatball. Okay, y'all. I want to thank you for watching. Give me 2 thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll leave the link for the Hamilton Beach pizza maker in my description box. I love it. And it also bakes good cookies. You get the kind of cookies that you just... Let me show y'all. Sometimes my brain don't work. These kind of prepackaged cookie dough, like that. You just break it off in chunks and put it on there, space it right. Bake up the nicest cookies. You ain't got to flip nothing over. Just put them on there and they will bake. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. Y'all be blessed. Now, I'm going to cut it off, then I'm going to show y'all me with plating this up. Okay, y'all, I'm about to get my eat on. Bon appetit.